Okay, so let's start talking about groups. eConestoga does have a tool that is built for group management, and it does enable some really nice workflows in terms of groups collaborating, submitting work together, uh, communicating, discussing together, and then really nice workflows for you grading those groups. In terms of, as a group, they submit one written formatted document for you, and you can provide feedback, provide a score, and have all of that recorded just one time, and every member of that group will see it. So we're going to start with that groups tool, and then it'll lead into the discussion tool, how discussions can be used with groups, or how you might just set up the discussion tool for an entire class to be able to interact with everyone, including yourself. The discussion tool, I think, is going to be leveraged a lot more in this scenario where we're expecting a lot more of the interactions generally to be online. So a lot of use cases for that as well, in terms of, like I said, students with communicating with students, discussing something that is actually evaluated or assessed. I'll show you guys the workflows for actually grading, one post or multiple posts that a student might post in an area. But again, you might just set up the discussion tool to communicate with your students, generally speaking, right? Not something that's always graded, just a space where they can ask questions, where you can communicate things to them or have students asking and helping each other. So we'll talk about all those things as we go.